In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the Adobe Acrobat Reader Tools panel. If you're someone who finds the Tools panel a bit too distracting, or you simply want a cleaner view of your PDF documents, this straightforward guide will help you achieve that in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to make sure you have Adobe Acrobat Reader open on your computer. Once you've got that up and running, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the menu icon there. Clicking on this menu icon will provide you access to a variety of settings and options within the Acrobat Reader. This is your starting point. Now that you've clicked on the menu, the next thing you'll want to do is to find an option labeled Disable New Acrobat. This might sound a bit complex, but in reality, it's a simple toggle that Adobe provides to help modify your workspace to better fit your preferences. By disabling the new Acrobat, what you're essentially doing is opting for a more classic, streamlined view within your Adobe Reader, which often results in hiding some of the toolbars, including that tools panel that can be quite space consuming on your screen. Once you've disabled the new Acrobat, you'll notice that a dialog box appears. This is a normal part of the process, so no need for any worries. The dialog box is there to inform you that a restart of the application will be necessary to finalize these changes. Now, the final step, click on the option that says Restart. By doing so, Adobe Acrobat Reader will close momentarily and then relaunch. As the application restarts, you'll notice right away that the Tools panel is no longer displayed in the way it was before. Your workspace should now appear much more spacious, allowing for a more focused reading experience. You can still access tools anytime you need to, but they won't dominate your screen unnecessarily. And there you go, with these easy to follow steps, you've successfully hidden the Adobe Acrobat Reader Tools panel, creating a cleaner and more streamlined interface that's perfect for viewing your documents without distractions. Enjoy your newly customized Adobe Reader experience, and thank you for watching.